Hi, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries, and what you're looking at here is the Vibe podcasting table. The rAVe team actually said the Vibe podcasting table may be the most awesomest, fantastic name that they've heard on the show floor so far. So who am I to disagree with them? They're doing this all day long, 3 days. So, I think they've got a couple hundred, couple thousand videos maybe even. It's a fantastic product. So as you can tell, I'm energized and excited by this product. What you're seeing here can accommodate 4 to 5 people. So you could have anywhere from a one-on-one conversation, one-on-two, or you could have a roundtable podcast. It is designed so that all of your cables, your mic arms, your headphone cables, and if you do have some sort of a production piece like the Rodecaster that you see there, it can all be managed right in one spot. Nice, clean environment, beautiful aesthetics, and on this side, which may be on camera, you actually have an opportunity to have a logo panel, or you could actually have a display mounted, so you could have variable content shown. But the Vibe podcast table is available from Spectrum Industries. If you want more information, please visit our website, www.spectrumfurniture.com.